So here I have my bedroom window. I put the shutters on them already, but I didn't tighten the wing nuts, so I could show you how to do it with the drill. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is to remove these plastic pieces and save these, and make sure you put them back, because if you don't, then you're gonna get rust and it could damage where you put the wing nuts on, and then it could deteriorate and then you won't be able to put them on. And if you are having difficulty getting these off over time with the weather and the heat and stuff, it could be hard to get them off. So I'm just using this multi-tool. You could use any type of like pliers, channel locks, tongue and groove type thing, but you just want to get a better grip, pull it off, and try not to damage it and make a hole in it, because then you will get rust if it's not sealed properly. So we take those off, and I would recommend doing the top before you do the bottom. I did the top so that these didn't fall on me while I was making this video. So now I have them on there. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take my drill. Now I put the bit on the drill. This is just a small Milwaukee screwdriver drill. You don't need the most powerful drill. Any type of drill will work, because you're not putting them on that tight. So I just want to show you what it's like when I hand tighten them. So I'm going to hand tighten this one over here on the left, so you can see the difference. So I'm going to hand tighten this. And now imagine doing this for every single one of these spots for your whole house. It's still not even on there. You have to make it really tight so that it stays and doesn't flap around in the wind. So I'm still turning it. It's taken all this time to do it. But now watch how fast it goes when I use the drill bit. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna put it on there, thread it on once so it stays. Now I take the drill, and you want to line it up where these big ones are, like that. And there's a hole in the middle, so the spike that you put it on has room. So now line it up like this. Make sure it's on there good. See how that's on there? And now what you're going to do is, and you don't have to go super tight, but now that is on there. And then we can move right along to the next one. Another way to do it is you could have it loaded on. This is good for doing the higher ones, because if you can't reach it and you don't have a ladder, then the drill gives you some more height. So now it's on. Hold it upside down so it stays on. Put it up to here. This way to do it is a little more tricky, but once you get it down, it's a little bit easier. So now it's on. And there we go. You keep on going for the rest of the house. So now I'm going to show you how to take these off. So I have one up here at the top that I can't reach with my hand, but I get an extra like 6 inches with the drill. And I try to catch them. You don't want to lose them, because during a storm these wing nuts could be hard to find. So I'm just going to show you me taking off another one at the bottom. So line it up. If you don't line it up right, I'll give you an example. If you don't line it up, it'll come off weird. So make sure you line it up, push it in. And there we go. Again, take the bottom ones off first so it doesn't fall on your head. And make sure you're really careful, because these things are heavy. So that's how you install hurricane shutters with the drill bit. Now stay safe out there, and I will see you guys in my next video.